Hello everyone, let's continue to working on this project. First we need to go to Firebase and see the authentication. Okay, get started. We need to go to email and enable that authentication for signing. This is for email and password. There is some error. Okay, we now need to check what is the error. Okay, Android. You see. Okay, save. What error? What error? Uh, okay, we need to implement this dependencies in build Gradle. Okay, here I will write Firebase Authentication and implement these dependencies. Click since now. Okay, let me see now. Oh, I need to on my other. I need to go on my another account to correct this mistake. Error updating firmware. I think I need to go. Let me see now. Save. Yeah, email password is no. Okay, email password now is okay. Since now. Good. Now let's continue. Close this build Gradle and continue in our register activity. We need to create edit text for user email, user password, and to confirm user password. Okay. Now we need to also progress bar for loading when the user click on some button and that progress bar is loading on another site. Let me see. Okay. Now let me create user email and find this field by ID. Use ID from activity register. Also ID for password. ID for confirm password. Here will be user 2. We will call it password 2, sorry. Password 2 and registration password 2, yeah. Okay. Next up. Okay. Now everything is good. And loading progress for our progress bar. That is when user click, it's load on another loading for another page. Okay, what is the ID? Progress bar. Yeah, copy this. Uh, get progress bar. I will refactor, copy and paste it here. Yeah, reg progress bar. Also, we need here the registration button. ID for yeah. I think I didn't write this reg button. Okay, reg button and loading. I will create later. Okay, now loading progress and set visibility to invisible. I don't want to see when this is loading or something like that, because it will be fast and I don't need to see that it's loading. Okay, this private button for registration button. Okay, everything's fine. Like button set one click listener. Now we create when user click on register button. In this function, new function when click to show the register button set visibility, and I will show that this will be visible. Of course, there will be that loading progress bar, and set visibility also be invisible, and final string in the final string user email. Okay, get string to string and password, user password, and get text to. Okay, I'll not use toString because if they have some numbers or something like that, or okay, I will enter the toString because it's not matter for this situation. Okay, final thing, password 2 is confirm password. Get text to string. Okay, final string and yeah, create get text to string. Nice. And in if statement, if email is empty or name is empty or password is empty or confirm password is empty, Now I need to here to show this message, something like please input all fields or something like that. And when user skips some input field and something like that. Also in this private function show message, string message. Now I will create a toast, make text and get application context, which need to show this short message to the user when user skip that input field. Or password and confirm password is not entered, something like that. Okay, register button. I need to set visibility. Set it visible. Yeah, visible. And also loading progress, which is progress bar. Set visibility invisible. Okay, that's good. And let's continue. In else statement, mm, in else statement, create user account where email, name, password, and I need to create here private create user account. This functionality in register activity. Also, I need to add private Firebase uh, authentication out. Yeah, and in the bottom, let me see. In the bottom, I'll add out, Firebase out, which get instance, and in this private create user function, out create user with email and password. Email and password, add a complete listener, which show this activity, and new on click list on complete listener, and I need to delete this. Okay,